Hello everyone, welcome back to another Kofi Noir unboxing. As you can see, I'm very excited and I just can't wait to see how this client's custom order came out. What we have here is the Movado Jodhpur Boot, embossed in Crocodile. This boot is also Goodyear welted and has a slightly high Cuban heel. I must say, this client hit it out the park with this one. This is a very beautiful shoe, and I cannot wait to see how he styles this boot. This boot is giving me real rock star vibes. I can most definitely see myself pairing these boots with some black denim, a black crew neck t-shirt, and a black leather jacket to complete the look. Also, during the wintertime and springtime, when you may need to want to layer up, you can put on a hoodie right under that leather jacket, or you can even wear these with a trench coat. At the end of the day, these Movado embossed Crocodile Jodhpur boots are surely to make a statement. Interested in designing your own pair of Movado Jodhpur boots? Contact us at info@kofinoir.com for your consultation. Thank you for joining us, and welcome to Kofi Noir.